Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about something we all want, but few truly master. The art of attraction. Forget those cheesy pickup lines and superficial tactics. We're diving deep into the science of seduction, exploring how to ignite genuine desire using all 5 senses. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding the subtle cues that spark connection. We're going to break down the strategies that make you magnetic, the kind of person who leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're looking to enhance your dating game or simply command a room with confidence, these insights will give you the edge. So, buckle up, because we're about to unlock the secrets to undeniable charisma. Get ready to transform your presence and understand how to become someone truly unforgettable. And hey, if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any of our deep dives into the art of attraction and personal development. Let's get started. Number 1. Highlighting the right body parts. Forget the myth that a chiseled jawline is the ultimate magnet. While a well-maintained appearance is important, the real power lies in understanding what truly captivates attention. Studies reveal that women are drawn to specific areas of a man's physique far more than others. A surprising statistic shows that only 2% of women prioritize facial features as the most attractive. So, where should you focus? The chest and arms are the power players. The chest, representing strength and security, accounts for 24% of women's attraction. The key is subtlety. A button or two undone on a well-fitted shirt can frame your chest in a way that's alluring, not overt. Think of it as a hint of confidence, not a desperate plea for attention. Then there are the arms, particularly the triceps, which account for 19% of attraction. You don't need to be a bodybuilder. The illusion of toned arms is often enough. Choose shirts with sleeves that hug your triceps, creating a defined silhouette. This simple sartorial choice can significantly boost your perceived attractiveness. It's about understanding the psychology of attraction and leveraging it with finesse. Think of it as strategic presentation. You are not just showcasing your body, but the confidence and presence that emanates from it. This is about being intentional with your style and understanding that attractiveness is more than just good looks. It's about projecting an aura of strength and self-assurance. Number 2. Taking up more space. Body language speaks volumes, often louder than words. In the realm of attraction, occupying space is a silent declaration of confidence. Research consistently shows that expansive movements draw more attention and convey dominance. Shrinking yourself, whether physically or emotionally, signals insecurity and diminishes your allure. To command space, start by using your arms when you speak. Gesture intentionally, not wildly, to occupy the visual field and assert your presence. When seated, spread out naturally. Avoid hunching or crossing your arms, which can appear defensive. Instead, stretch your legs or lean back slightly. Walking with confidence is also crucial. Don't confine yourself to a corner. Move purposefully and engage with your surroundings. Leaning back while standing can create a sense of dominance and make you appear larger. It's a subtle yet powerful way to assert your presence without being aggressive. Think of it as claiming your space with an air of relaxed authority. This isn't about being arrogant. It's about projecting self-assuredness and comfort in your own skin. It's about understanding that your physical presence communicates your inner state. And by taking up space, you are signaling that you are confident, capable, and comfortable in any situation. Number 3. Using the right sense. Scent is a powerful, often overlooked tool of seduction. It triggers primal neurological responses that can ignite desire. Certain notes have been scientifically proven to stimulate attraction more than others. Vanilla, for example, creates a sense of comfort and peace, making it perfect for first encounters. It evokes warmth and familiarity, setting a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Rose oil, a natural aphrodisiac, has been used for centuries to enhance sexual desire. Its floral, romantic scent can evoke feelings of passion and intimacy. Sandalwood, with its masculine, exotic aroma, has historical roots in stimulating attraction. It's a rich, woody scent that conveys sophistication and mystery. When choosing fragrances, look for these notes and consider layering them for a more complex and captivating scent profile. Remember, less is more. A subtle, lingering scent is far more alluring than an overpowering one. Think of it as your invisible calling card. It's about creating an olfactory experience that leaves a lasting impression. This is not about masking your natural scent. It's about enhancing it with carefully selected notes that resonate on a deeper, emotional level. It's about understanding that scent can evoke memories and emotions, making it a powerful tool in the art of attraction. Number 4. Eliminating bad odors. No matter how exquisite your cologne, bad odors will sabotage your efforts. Maintaining impeccable hygiene is non-negotiable. Start by scrubbing problem areas daily. Dead skin and bacteria can accumulate in overlooked spots like the neck, behind the ears, and the groin. Applying deodorant beyond your armpits is essential. Consider using spray-on deodorants, which are more effective in covering larger areas. Your feet and even your backside can trap unwanted smells, so don't neglect them. Pay attention to your breath as well. Regular brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash are crucial. Consider using a tongue scraper to eliminate bacteria that cause bad breath. Clothing hygiene is also paramount. Freshly laundered clothes can make a significant difference. Avoid wearing the same outfit multiple times without washing. Think of it as maintaining your personal ecosystem. It's about creating an environment around you that is clean and inviting. This is not about being obsessive. It's about being mindful of the subtle cues that can derail your attractiveness. It's about understanding that cleanliness is a foundational element of attraction, and neglecting it can undermine all your other efforts. Number 5. Enhancing your hair and beard. Hair is a significant factor in attraction. Studies show that women are drawn to men with healthy, well-maintained hair. Soft, touchable hair invites intimacy. To achieve this, use a leave-in conditioner before bed. This allows your hair to absorb nutrients overnight, resulting in ultra-soft locks by morning. Regular conditioning is essential for maintaining moisture and preventing dryness. Consider using hair masks or deep conditioners once or twice a week for added nourishment. A well-groomed beard can also be a powerful asset. Ensure it's clean, trimmed, and soft. Use beard oils and balms to maintain its texture and prevent itchiness. Fragrance can also enhance your hair and beard. Lightly spray your favorite scent onto a brush before styling. This ensures that the fragrance is subtly dispersed, creating an alluring aura as she gets closer. Remember, the goal is to create a sensory experience that invites touch. Think of it as framing your face with irresistible softness. It's about paying attention to the details that create a lasting impression. This is not about having perfect hair. It's about having hair that is healthy, well-maintained, and inviting. It's about understanding that hair is a visual and tactile element of attraction, and enhancing it can significantly boost your allure. Number 6. Touching her the right way. Touch is a powerful tool for building connection and igniting attraction. It can literally raise a woman's body temperature, creating a physical sensation of desire. However, it's crucial to approach touch with sensitivity and respect. Start with a firm handshake, making eye contact and smiling. This establishes a confident and friendly connection. As you converse, subtly introduce casual arm contact. Sitting close enough that your arms lightly touch creates a sense of intimacy without being intrusive. Compliment her accessories, such as earrings or a bracelet, and gently touch them as you speak. This shows attentiveness and admiration. When handing her a phone or object, let your fingers graze hers, holding eye contact for an extra second. This creates a moment of heightened awareness and anticipation. After these subtle touches, pull back. This creates a sense of intrigue and leaves her wanting more. The art of touch is about creating anticipation and building connection gradually. Think of it as a dance of intimacy. It's about understanding the delicate balance between closeness and space. This is not about being aggressive or pushy. It's about being mindful and respectful of her boundaries. It's about understanding that touch can create a powerful emotional and physical connection, and using it effectively can significantly enhance your attraction. Number 7. Your voice is a seduction weapon. Forget what you say. How you say it matters more. Your voice is a powerful tool for conveying confidence and attraction. Women are naturally drawn to men with deep voices, associating them with larger, more dominant body types. To naturally lower your tone, speak from your diaphragm, not your throat. Take deep breaths that expand your stomach, not your chest. This will help you project a deeper, more resonant voice. Avoid stuttering or speaking too quickly. Smooth, evenly paced speech conveys confidence and control. Take a deep breath before speaking to maintain a controlled rhythm. Enunciate your words clearly and avoid mumbling. Vary your tone and pitch to add emphasis and emotion. A monotone voice can be dull and unengaging. Practice speaking slowly and deliberately, allowing your words to resonate. Think of it as your vocal signature. It's about using your voice to convey confidence, authority, and warmth. This is not about faking a deep voice. It's about optimizing your natural vocal range. It's about understanding that your voice is a powerful tool for communication and attraction, and using it effectively can significantly enhance your allure. Number 8. Perfecting your lips for the final move. By this point, you've captured her attention. Now, it's time to seal the deal with irresistible lips. Exfoliate your lips daily using a soft toothbrush after brushing your teeth. This removes dead skin and creates a smooth surface. Apply Vaseline or a lip balm before bed to lock in moisture, ensuring soft, kissable lips by morning. Choose a lip balm with natural ingredients, such as beeswax or shea butter, for added hydration. Avoid licking your lips, as this can dry them out. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. Consider using a lip scrub once or twice a week for deeper exfoliation. A subtle hint of peppermint or vanilla lip balm can also add an alluring touch. Remember, the goal is to create lips that are soft, smooth, and inviting. Think of it as the final touch of allure. It's about preparing for the moment of intimacy. This is not about having perfect lips. It's about having lips that are healthy and well-maintained. It's about understanding that your lips are a focal point of attraction, and ensuring they are kissable can significantly enhance your chances of success. There you have it, folks. The science of seduction, decoded. Remember, it's not about tricks or manipulation. It's about understanding the subtle cues that spark genuine connection. By mastering these techniques, you'll not only attract attention but also leave a lasting impression. It's about confidence, charisma, and authenticity. So go out there, embrace your newfound knowledge, and watch as you become truly unforgettable. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the art of attraction and personal development. Share this video with anyone who could use a boost in their charisma, and let's create a community of confident, magnetic individuals. Thanks for watching, and stay irresistible.